Привет. Как дела? Courtesy phrases may help in any difficult situation. These phrases can relieve tension and endear a person to you. That's why in the Russian language they are called magic words. Волшебные слова. Here are some examples of such phrases in the Russian language. The first 3 phrases mean excuse me, sorry, pardon me. In Russian, they sound like this. Извините, извините, and let's try faster. Извините, извините.
Извините. Извините.
The next word that also mean excuse me, sorry, or pardon me. Простите. Простите. And faster. Простите. Простите.
Простите.
And the last phrase that means excuse me, sorry, pardon me sounds like this. Прошу прощения. Прошу прощения. And let's try faster. Прошу прощения. Прошу прощения.
Прошу прощения.
The next 2 words mean thank you. And in Russian they sound like this. Спасибо. Спасибо. Спасибо.
Спасибо.
And благодарю. Благодарю. Благодарю.
Благодарю.
By the way, there is a very interesting opinion that since ancient times, word спасибо is a short version of the phrase спаси Бог, which means God save me. And word благодарю is a short version of the phrase благодарю. And it means I give you welfare. And this phrase is full of light and positive emotions. But I should say that word благодарю is not really common nowadays. We more often use word спасибо. The next word means you're welcome and please. In Russian, this word sounds like this. Пожалуйста. Пожалуйста. Pay attention that we don't pronounce letter Y in this word. So let's try again. Пожалуйста. And let's try faster. Пожалуйста. Пожалуйста.
Пожалуйста.
The next phrase also means please. And we use it in the same way as we use word пожалуйста. We use it when we want to ask somebody for something. And this phrase sounds like this. Будьте добры. Будьте добры. And let's try faster. Будьте добры. Будьте добры.
Будьте добры.
The main difference between будьте добры and word пожалуйста is that usually we put phrase будьте добры at the beginning of the sentence. For example, будьте добры, помогите мне. Help me, please. Будьте добры, перезвоните мне. Call me back, please. Будьте добры, повторите. Repeat, please. And this phrase has more official, more formal connotation. And the last two phrases that mean I'm very glad sounds like this. Очень рад. Я очень рад. And let's try faster. Я очень рад. Я очень рад.
Я очень рад.
And я очень рада. Я очень рада. And let's try faster. Я очень рада. Я очень рада.
Я очень рад.
The main difference between these two sentences is that phrase «Я очень рад» only men can say this phrase, and the phrase «Я очень рада» only women can say this phrase. Okay guys, so I hope you liked this video. Tell me please which phrase do you like the most and which phrases do you use when you speak the Russian language. So enjoy your day or evening. Thank you for watching it. Thank you for watching this video. Спасибо. Благодарю. I wish you all the best and see you soon in our next video. Пока-пока. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and like our videos. Пока!